So I'm still searching through my bucket of stuff that I brought from Gemtree. Fair bit here. I put some water in it to make the zircons shine a bit more. Still getting quite a few in there. Lots of crap, but there's a lot of zircons in there. Probably very low grade. There's also what they call apatite and probably some quartz. But every handful that I go through, yeah, every handful I go through, I'm probably getting, that's a handful on the sieve, and that's the number of zircons that I've got out of it. Most of them will be crap or too small to do anything with, low grade, but still a bit of fun, and I can use them for something. So yeah, a lot of zircons. Keeps me off the street.